Here we got another eBay package. I know this is my HDMI splitter and I paid $7.32 for it. So I'm gonna box it. Just came out a little paper bag. I already removed the label. Oh, look at that. That doesn't have my address on it. Yeah, I don't want to show people my address where I live. That's just invading privacy. Hold on. I don't know why it's in there, like, in there precariously. Should have made the shipping a little hard, a little better. Yeah, I should have used, like, more, like, styrofoam and stuff. These are fragile. So, yes, this is it. It actually looks pretty well built, actually. Yeah, the plastic thing, I don't know, is there. I don't know why it's there. It shouldn't be there, but it is very good quality. I don't think he's even powered though. I like these unpowered adapters, so yes. That's very nice. Thanks for watching.